So, good morning everyone, and welcome to my channel Engineering Phantom. I hope so you all are doing good. So, today's video will be basically on aptitude and dates and calendar part 2. Last time, due to some interaction, I failed to complete that video, but in this video today I will complete the rest part, and then we will move forward to the other aptitude topics. So let's start with the previous table which I make you note. So last time we write this table in our notebooks or notes. So basically, as we can see here, all months from 1 to 12 are given here. From Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, from Sunday to Saturday, all days are given in sequence. And here are some years: 1600, 1700, 1800, 1900, 2000, and so on to 2020, 300. Okay, so this is a table which I asked to write this in your books. So basically, here as we can see, this is month name which is given here: January, February, March, and this one is the code for that month, which will be helpful for us to solve the questions. So here is the code for January 0, for February 3, for March 3, for April 6, for May 1, June 4, for July 6, for August 2, for September 5, for October 0, for November 3, and for December 5. So these are the codes. So basically what happens, these codes are okay for all years, but there are two types of years: normal years and leap years. So what is difference in leap year? So in February month there are 29 days in leap year, and in a normal year there are 28 days. So basically it impacts on the number of days in a year. So in leap year has an extra one day rather than the normal year. So for now I just saying, if leap year is given, then we consider 6 as a January code and 2 as a February code, and the rest code will remain same whether it's normal year or leap year. So whenever there will be a date given in question, and if asked for January or February, we have to check whether the year is leap year or not. Otherwise for rest 10 months we have no issue with it. Whether it's leap year or not a leap year, it will not affect on our solution. So this is these things are done for months. So next is for years. So basically it's a centuries, set of centuries. It's 16th century, 17th century, 18th century, 19th century, and so until 2300. So for 1600 or 2000 century, the code will be 6. For 1700 or 2100 century, code will be 4, and so on. For the 1800 and 2200, it's 0. For 1900 and 2300, sorry, for 1800 and 2200, it's 2, and for 1900 and 2300, it's 0. So this way the century code is given, and the rest is day codes. So which is very easy to remember. Just write Sunday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and just start numbering from 0 to 6. So this way we wrote this table. We also wrote this in last lecture, but due to some reason I wasn't explaining it. So let me continue this. So here, as we can see, this table is helpful for finding any day, which day is on any date. Whatever date is asked in exam, you can get the answer which day was on that day, or which day will be on that day, or what is the day. For example, let me test by taking today's date, which is 4th August 2024. So yeah, I forget to mention there is a formula to done it, and in that formula we will use all these codes. Okay, so let me see the formula in the next page. This page is full, so let me go to next page. So the formula is basically date plus year plus quotient plus month code and last thing is year code plus year code. So this way this is done, and the whole thing will be divided by 7 because every week has 7 days, or we can say total number of days are 7. So let's see how we can use this table. So our example was today's date. Okay, so today's date is 4th August 04 August 2024. So we calculate it with the formula. So first of all, the date is given here, 4 plus year 24, year is 24. We only consider these last two digits of year. So next is quotient. So for now let it blank, we will calculate it later. Then month code, we will go for month code in our previous slide. So month code, month is August, so 2, and we only check whether the year is leap year or not for only January and February. So here asked month is August, so we will not check whether it's normal year or leap year. August, code is 2, and our year is 2024. So 2024 will be 2024 between 2000 and 2100. So 2024 till 2000 to 2099 we will consider this. Whether we ask it 1618, so we will till 1600 to 1699 we consider this code. So here 2024 will come in this 2000th century, so we will take 6 as a code. So month code is 2 and the year code is 6. Let me write there in our formula. Okay, so let's write it in our formula. So quotient we will find it, and then we will write for month code it's 2 and for year code it's 6, and the whole thing will divide by 7. So let's see what is quotient. So let me do this here. So just take last two digit of year, which is 24, and divide by 4. So 4 6 are 24. Okay, let me, something is wrong there. Let me write it properly. Okay, so 6 4s are 24 or 4 6 are 24. So remainder is 0. So it's remainder and it's quotient. So 6 will be the quotient. Okay, so we write here. Okay, so let me solve it. So 24 plus 6 30, 34, and 6 34 plus 6 6 40, 40 plus 2 will be 42 divided by 7. So let me solve this in this side. 42 divided by 7, 7 6 are 42. So this will be 0. So the remainder is 0. We got 0 as a remainder. So 0 as a remainder. So we check remainder with the day code. We know Sunday has day code 0. Let we check. We can see Sunday 0. So the day will be Sunday. So the answer is Sunday, and it's today's date, and we all know today is Sunday, so we have cross check our formula. And if we solve it and we got some like reminder is 1, then it is Monday. If reminder is 2, then it's Tuesday. We can cross check in our this formula table. If the reminder is 3, then Wednesday, and so on till Saturday if reminder is 6. So this way we can guess that we can find which day is on which date. This way we can solve this kind of questions. So whatever day is given, you guys can find which day is on that particular date by using this table. First one is this year month table, then this years tables, or we can say century table, and the next is days. So this way we can find out whatever date is given, we can clearly say which day was on that day. So this way I completed my calendar questions. And we can take another example. Let me take any date, like let me suppose 03 June, and let me take year 1900. Okay, so let's solve this. So we take 0 June 1900. Okay, so 1900 we have asked it. So okay, so we will write our formula: day plus year plus quotient plus month code plus year code. So and the whole sum will be divided by 7. So let me write day is 3, year is 00, quotient will be, so here as we can see 1900, so we will divide 00 by 4. So whatever we divide, we will get quotient 0 and remainder also 0. 4 0 0 0, 0 minus 0 0. So this way remainder and quotient is 0, so quotient will be 0 plus month code. So month is given June, so June has a month code of 4 plus year code. So year code as you can see 1900. So let me clear it here, because some student might have that doubt. 1900 and 1899 and 1901. So let me see the trick. So these are the 3 years, and 4 years we have to choose the year code. What will be the year code we will take? So let me go to the previous page where we written the formulas. So as we can see 1800 is showing year code 2, which means 1800 to 1899 we take year code 2, and for 1900 it's 0, which means 1900 to the 1999 we take code as a 0. So here let me write, so 1900, so code will be 0, 1899 code will be 2, and 1901 the code will be 0. So this way I hope you guys cleared it. If cleared how we take the month code and year code. Month code is quite easy, June, so it is 4, and for year code it will be 0 because it's 1900 exact. So let me write here 0, and the whole thing will divide by 7. So it will be 3 plus 4 by 7 equal to 7 by 7 equal to, so It's simple, though I follow the step-by-step solution. 7 ones are 7, so it will be 0. So as we can see here, reminder is 0 and quotient is 1. So whenever we got 0 as a reminder, as we know our day code, 0 is code of Sunday. So on that day it will be Sunday. You guys can check this by putting in your calendar app, so it will show you right date, Sunday. So this way you can solve, by taking any date you can solve it, and then you can also cross check the answer on calendar app of our mobile. You can just put the date and the calendar will show you the date, and you can cross check your answer from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you like my video and want more videos in future, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please support, please subscribe it, and please give your review in comment section.